This truck lets us serve about 10,000 meals to people that we otherwise wouldn't be able to serve.
We've been working with OzHarvest for the last few years, so we then decided to help and assist them going further with offering them a truck for 2 years, which was then giving them the ability to run around almost totally free. So they were actually then picking up a donation and assistance from ourselves while we actually look after supporting their vehicles. We had everything from our sales manager, Stuart, who drove down to our sales staff, coordinating the cab chassis of Hino, then organising the body to be built by TRS, and now connecting brands, coordinating the actual body wrap itself. It took 2 or 3 months to get it all together. Adtrans values are that we're very much a genuine company which is all around trying to support Hino customers. We're actually then saying supporting OzHarvest allows them to pick up food which is actually being thrown away.
So about 10, 15 charities a week will get a delivery from this truck, let them feed that many people meals, all from rescued food. About 750 kilos a day, and take it to agencies that are serving that food to people who are otherwise going hungry. So what it helps us do is keep these little agencies and charities alive. They're the ones that work in local communities. They help turn people's lives around. We provide them with the bedrock that they need, which is food, to be able to provide not just sustenance, but all the other wraparound services that they're able to do. The fact that Adtrans is giving us this truck for use for 2 years and providing all the servicing and maintenance, what that means in terms of costs that we save, we can turn about $45,000 worth of costs each year into 90,000 additional meals that we give to members of the community. We come to work every day knowing that we're doing good, and that's all we need. So the fact that Adtrans is setting this example for other corporates is really special. We're really grateful to Adtrans for the support they're giving us.